Hey everybody, I'm Dr. BJ Hardick, and I'm excited to invite you to next Tuesday night's very special event right here in London, Ontario. It's the Maximized Living Recipe Night. You know, a number of years ago now, I wrote this book, The Maximized Living Nutrition Plans, and it's very cool for me to know that this book has gone on to inspire actually hundreds of thousands of lives through better nutrition and healthier lifestyle. And next Tuesday night is your opportunity to learn it all. You know, at the Recipe Night, we cover 3 of the most basic elements that we cover in the Maximized Living Nutrition Plans. I'll cover those for you real briefly right now. The one is sugar. You know, in my experience, people have a crazy difficult time getting off of sugar. We're gonna show you how to make that possible. We're also gonna cover what the safe alternatives to sugar are, because there's still a lot of confusion out there, what's safe and what's not. We're also going to cover healthy fats versus bad fats. You know, I know unfortunately there was still a study last year showing that most moms, the vast majority, over 70% of moms at the grocery store, are still being fooled into buying low-fat foods. And you know what? Low-fat foods are associated with hormonal issues, low-fat diets are associated with depression, and what I've also seen is that low-fat diets are also associated with obesity. So we're gonna show you how to know whether or not the fats going into your foods are the ones that should be there or should not. And lastly, we're gonna cover toxic foods. Unfortunately now, because of our busy lifestyles, we still have what are called frankenfoods, these man-made foods, which include not only all the chemicals that are going in foods, but also all the genetically modified products as well. And we're gonna teach you next Tuesday night how to make some of your favorite foods, but with whole food ingredients, so that you will love them. You know, in fact, that's one of the best things about the Recipe Night, is you're gonna have the ability to sample dozens of some of the best recipes right out of the Maximized Living Nutrition Plans. We have a giant buffet of the best food out of my book and out of the website. And you'll be able to experience those and also experience the Maximized Living community. Get to know other people who are living this healthy lifestyle. There's this entire smorgasbord of food. You'll get to know some other people. And in fact, if you're new to Maximized Living, this is one of the best ways to see if it's gonna work for you. If you've been with us for some time, I do hope you'll bring a friend, because it's a great way to introduce your friends to the healthy lifestyle you've been living. I do hope you'll join us. All the information is on drhardick.com. Please register in advance, as there's limited seating. I can't wait to see you there.